Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. If you have honey that looks like this, I'm going to show you how to turn it into creamed honey that will last forever. So long, in fact, you could pass it down to your kids or your grandkids or their kids. All you need for this recipe is some crystallized honey, a few seasonings if you want to add them in, and either a stand mixer or a hand mixer. Let's get started.
When your honey is crystallized, it can be hard to get it out of a squeezy container. So I'm using a serrated bread knife and very carefully cutting through the plastic container. This gives me the easiest access to my honey. I'm adding all of the crystallized honey into my mixing bowl. Remember to use a stand mixer or hand mixer. This isn't something you can do by hand. Now, using your balloon whisk attachment on your mixer, set it to as high as it will go. You can see the color start to change almost immediately. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt to my creamed honey.
But you can add whatever seasonings you like. Gingerbread spice is a really lovely addition, or nutmeg. Flavor them to your taste. Or even better, make them as a gift and give them to the people you love.
I like to help my mixer out a little bit by scraping down the sides of the bowl. You can still see some of the crystals in the honey, so we're just going to keep whisking. I find it helpful to scrape the whisk down to the bottom of the bowl to make sure no little bits of honey have been left behind. And then give it another little whisk. Whoops. Make sure the beater's in the bowl first.
Sorry, my finger slipped.
To test for doneness, take a little bit of the creamed honey onto your finger. Give it a rub between your finger and thumb and make sure there are no crystals left. And now pour your creamed honey into a jar with a lid.
Now you're probably thinking, what can I use creamed honey for? I love it spread on toast or waffles or drizzled over pancakes, or even better, a spoonful stirred in my cup of tea. This creamed honey will store on your counter at room temperature forever. It will have a really soft consistency, but you're best to store it in your refrigerator where it will have a peanut butter-like silkiness and you're less likely to have it melt due to heat. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're a honey lover, check out my salted honey pie recipe. And be sure to hit the subscribe button for more recipes coming up soon. And if you're a fan of not wasting food, give us a big thumbs up. See you in the next video.